All right, so guys, good evening, everybody. Happy Sunday to you all. I don't really know. I don't really know how long I'll talk about this particular platform before most of you guys will start understanding the potentials that these guys really have. This platform is called SME. This is the latest social media platform in town. We've talked about this platform on our channel sometimes ago, but most of you guys, it seems like you guys don't really understand what these people are up to. This is a platform that you can come and start earning money daily here. Yes, when we talk about this, most times you guys will think that it's mostly based on referral base. Maybe we are looking for referrals and stuff like that. In as much as the referrals are there, even without a single referral, you can make money on this platform. All you have to do is just to pay close attention and do what is necessary for you every day, and that is just that. The reason for referral is that it will just help you to scale up, right? It will help you to scale up. There are a lot of platforms that really depend mostly heavily on referrals, but there are a lot of platforms that don't really depend much on referrals. They really believe in people that can build with them, right? People that can really explore with them and grow with them. And this particular platform, SME, is one of them. So irrespective of whether you have large referral base or not, you are going to make money from this platform. This is a platform that can single-handedly pay you somewhere around $20 every month if you can take this project, or let me say this platform, very serious and do the needful even without a single referrals. All you have to do is just to be active and be up and doing, and nowhere around $20 is sure for you. Around $20 is sure for you every month. And the most sweetest part is that withdrawal is going to be activated anytime soon. So like I said, this is not your regular crypto platform or mining platform and so. No, this is an already made business. These guys really have the money. The funds are there already, right? They just need people that will build with them and they will share the money. Simple as that. So the reason of me making this video is because a lot of people reached out to me and said that they don't really know how to scale the daily mining even without them having a single referrals. So this is a very nice platform. All those times that you spend on Facebook talking things when not really concern you, on TikTok, watching people when they shaking yash and everything, you can spend some percentage of those time on this particular platform. Build your portfolio right here. This is a new platform that is going to take over everywhere in no distance time. So start building your portfolio. As you join this platform and you are making money, start building your portfolio. You guys can see that I'm already having notifications, right? You can see it. And if I check my dashboard right here, you will see that I already have 37 followers right here, right? You guys can see it. And I'm already building my portfolio gradually. You can see I'm already getting comments, I'm already getting likes, shares and stuff like that. So imagine you building with Facebook when they first come out, building with YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and so on and so forth. Do you know how far you would have gone by now? So these guys are in the building stage, right? So, and this is the best time to join with them, right? This is the best time to jump on it. Secure your space as you are making money right here. Build your audience and loyal fans in this particular platform again, okay? So now let me take you guys and show you guys how to earn daily even with zero referrals. So let me come to this interface right here. Then there are a few things you can do in progress right here. This is a global sharing carnival. You can share on your Telegram and get some amount of coins right here. Let's wait for it to open. Though that one is not even really my major thing, but if you really have time you can do that. So you guys can see, you share on Telegram and you will get 50 SME free. So step one is just to share. Step two is to copy the link that you shared and paste here. I normally do this, right? I normally do this as well, but my major target is daily mining. That is where I really focus. All right, so you can share on your X as well, then copy the post link, share, paste it right here, click on submit, and if they check and verify that yes, you did the right thing, you are going to be getting 50 SME free. That is just that. Basically every day you do that. Now let's go back. If you come to this first one that says 100 million SME daily mining, so this guy is this particular interstellar expedition, we have 100 million SME to be mined right here, right? It's already in progress, and in no distance time this is going to end and the withdrawal is going to be enabled. So let's click on get reward right here. Let me just go back a bit and show you guys my dashboard before we even proceed. So let me open it right here, and you guys will see that right now I currently have $44 right here. Hope you guys can see it. $44 free money, like free money. Withdrawal is going to be activated. You guys can see withdrawal countdown check is already coming. I'm not even capping, guys. So if you are not taking this platform serious, I don't really know what you are doing. So the next time I will show you guys about this platform, you see that my portfolio are already raising very, very well. So that is just that. We know we've passed through a lot of things in this crypto space and all, but if you see a platform like this that is really, really ready to pay, they have the money, yet do well to go in all on it. Don't take it for granted, or like, no, I don't really know why most of you guys are not really paying attention to this. But that's by the way. So this is how you mine daily. So this is what mines for you every day. You guys can see my energy is at 9850, and I stand to claim 2.54 every hour, and within a day I'll get 25.9 SME. So this is what I do every day, and this is how I accumulate. All right, so all those things are things that I've already done. You have to verify all those things. You light up your interest, select at least three tags. All these things are things you do once you join immediately. You publish your first post, invite friends. If you can, right, invite first friend to claim. If you cannot, it's not by force. Then verify your Nigerian number, verify your email address, and boom, you guys can see the points attached to them. Okay, let me do this. You can see the points attached to each activity, right? So now this is what we do every day right here. Let me show you guys. This particular one that says influence task, this particular one is every 24 hours. You have to make sure you do them, and that is where you get the most mining power, right? All this power that you guys are seeing here, this is where they come. Basically, forget referral stuff. I don't really have anything to refer. Let me scroll up and show you guys. So this is it. I just have only 2,100 power from my referrals. So you guys can see the number of inactive people that I have is very, very crazy. So I don't really know. So you can see that only 7 people are actively mining right now, and this is 2,100. So if you minus 2,100 from this particular energy right here, I still have like 7k plus on my own, right? Okay, now that's just that. So that's why I say that even with 0 referrals, if you take this platform serious, you are going to get something meaningful at the end of the day. All right, so this is it. Every day you come here, you like 20 comments. You like 20 posts on the page. It's as simple as that. Then you comment 5 comments and also do like 3 shares. Then each of them attracts power. Like each like will give you 50 power. Then each comment will give you 200. Each share will give you 300. But I don't normally basically share, because this is how to go about it. If you come to the home dashboard right here, you can like. If you like this one, it has already counts for you. So this is a way of boosting the platform and at the same time boosting your energy, right? So you just like 20. The reason why they are not adding for me is because I've already done all the tasks and I've already gotten the points for today. So after you like 20, you are good to go. Then you click on comments right here. If you click on comments, you write a very nice comment. Just make sure that your comment is above 20 words, 10 words, right? You can see for me, I still have a strong belief on it. So just make sure you have above 10 words. Your comment is 10 words, like very nice project. Just write anything random, then you're good to go. Then if you really want to share, you are not really sharing. Like for instance, now let me just do as if to say I want to share. I'll click on share right here. Click on these 3 dots here. Okay, if you click on these 3 dots, automatically they are going to give you 300. You don't really need to share. Okay, if you want to share, you can go ahead and share. But if you don't want to, once you just tap on these 3 dots and you are in this particular interface, they are going to give you the 300. So you have to do is just to come back. Very simple. Do it 3 times and receive 900 power. It's as simple as that. That is how I accumulate this energy that I'm using. So where the most energy come from is this particular one that says browse article videos, right? You watch video for just 90 minutes every day, which is an hour 30 minutes, and you stand to get, this is 2,000 plus 1 to show you guys that this is where my energy is coming from. So 2,000 plus 1 plus 1,000 plus 700 plus 200 plus 100. These are the energies that I accumulate every day. Okay, 2k, 3k, 4k, 5k. That is close to 6k automatically from this particular one, which is browsing articles and videos, right? So how do I do this? All you have to do is just to focus on this particular place. Focus on this particular one. 90 minutes, right? 90 minutes, that is just your target. All these ones are accumulated. Like after 60 seconds, you get 100. Then 3 minutes, you get 200. 10 minutes, you get 700. So they're adding it automatically. Not that you will do 60 seconds separately, 3 minutes separately, 10 minutes separately, 20 minutes separately. No. If you have already reached somewhere like 45 minutes, they just have to add extra 45 minutes for you to climb this level. I hope this is clear. Okay, so that is just how I accumulate all this energy. It's not that bad. It's not that really hard, right? So this is how I watch the video. If I come to the home dashboard right here, and that's how I do it on autopilot, and it doesn't really take much of my time. So I will make sure that I come to the video section. Let me go back a bit, because that's where keeps more longer. So this place that they wrote videos, okay, you guys can see it. You can just scroll and tap on any video. So let me off the volume. Okay, so let me click on this particular video right now. Then you can see that it's already playing. So once this video plays to the last, I'm not going to slide it, so I'll just leave it to be playing in background. Once it's finished playing, I'll just scroll up. So many people say that after watching the video, this thing is not adding for them. The reason why it's not adding for you is that you just open the video and leave it in autopilot. You are not engaging, you are not scrolling. So they want to make sure that yes, you are watching this video. You not just open it and drop it somewhere. Okay, so once you see that the line is moving to the end and it has ended, don't just allow it to repeat itself. If it's repeating, nothing is going to be adding for you. Once that one is done, scroll to the next. After that one is done, you guys can see this one is a very short video. It's already moving. After it's done, scroll to the next. After it's done, scroll to the next. Right? I do all this thing in my leisure time. That is how I accumulate it. You know, so that is just basically how it is. This is not really a very hard thing. So they want us to be engaging on the platform, thereby giving us power to earn more money on the platform. It's as simple as that. So if you know you are not on this platform, I will still encourage us to jump on it. This is a very legit platform that is going to blow up everywhere in no distance time. Do well to jump on this platform immediately after watching this video. The link is going to be in the description section and comment section of this video. Get started immediately and follow up, and also make sure you join our community so that you'll be getting first hand information as it holds make money online and cryptos and everything are going to be in the description section of this video. So thank you guys for watching. The video is already somehow long, so thank you. If you really watched to this extent, I appreciate you guys. If you don't really mind, hit that thumbs up button, also comment, and if this is the first time coming across, don't forget to subscribe. You can also share it so that a lot of people will get this information. So till I come your way next time, thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed, enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and bye for now.